Hey guys, it's your boy Peks here, and welcome to episode 3 in my series From Zero to Hero. And on this episode, I'm going to cover composition. Alright? So you can just come here and open your channel rack and hope you know how to get the contact up. I mentioned this in a templates tutorial, so you just go ahead and watch that and just start adding stuff. But for the total beginners, you can just right click, insert, and add contacts. And you can also go insert and add the BSO articulates, okay? And just watch my template tutorial and how to set this up. Now, let's get started with the composition. Now, this is what I made. This is just a sketch. I will show you in a second, but I just want to mention that it's easier to play in the piano, so I played it and recorded it, and this is roughly what I came up with. It doesn't mean that this is going to be the final product. This is just a guideline for me to know what sort of thing to do. So let's get started. So hope you enjoyed that. This is what kind of I have, and until the end of the series, I'm gonna work out this to a full orchestral track or a full trailer track. It will depend. Now, for you, the ones that say, "But I don't know any music theory. How can I make this?" Easy. Your boy Peks will teach you. Calm your tits. Now, you basically have to come here, and this is useful for you. So just come here and insert an FL Keys plugin, and you go there and you come here on this little arrow saying piano roll options. Come here and go helpers, scale highlighting, and voila. There's a bunch of scales for you to choose from. Usually people go with major, some with minor. It depends. So you can go on major, for example, and you can even select the root note can be D. In this case, I already have it prepared, but you can go any note. And you'll see that the D key will be grayed out, means that this is the root note and the end of the scale. And in between that, there's these white stripes. And the white stripes represent the notes that you can play within this scale, okay? So you just have to go this one, 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 that one. That's it. That's the entire scale. Now, you're gonna come to your official composing piano plugin. You're gonna open right-click piano roll, and you're gonna press Alt V for the ghost notes, and you can even go Control Alt V to edit your ghost notes. Okay, so this will serve you as a guideline in order to do your major scale. If you ever get lost in the notes you need to play, this is going to be a good guide. So if you want to make it bigger, just go Control Alt V to edit the keys, and you can just, just go and drag them out. It doesn't matter. Now, once you find your scale and your chords and all that, you're gonna start creating composition. There's 4 main ingredients to the composition: root notes, so the bass line, the ostinato, the counter melody, the harmony, and the melody. So five main ingredients. These are the main ingredients that you need to be taking care of. So bass for the root notes, and these are going to be part of the harmony section, and the high notes can be your melody. Now this can be switched up, but usually just go totally basic on this. Lower for root notes and bass notes, middle for rhythm and harmony, and higher for melody. This is usually the case. And once you got those 5 ingredients, you need to know where to place them. Now, I hinted at my melody in the starts, and I use always the same root note, bass notes in my entire track. As you can see, it's always the same. It changes here and there, just slightly, but it's basically the same. And my chords are the same as well, with some different variations to it. So that's the harmony section. Now, I hinted at the bits of melody in the intro, as you can see here, and here as well, all of this. And then I hinted back at the melody on my build-up section, right here. And this top section is actually my counter melody. And then when the climax appears, I have the full melody again. When writing a melody, keep in mind that don't copy paste this and that. You can, I copy paste it, but do change a couple notes, okay? Make it interesting and believable. Don't just do the same thing over and over again. Just give it a little snazz. And a little flair, some color, and you can go like the first part. The second part is gonna be a little bit different. The third part as well, and the fourth part. So the first, the second, the third part can be similar, but the fourth part needs to be a little bit different. This is usually how I do things, okay? And to end this episode, the ostinato is also a really good and important part in the epic music, which is this section. And there's many types of different ostinato. I actually have this one here and this one here as well in the climax. And ostinato is also part of the harmony section. Now, once you have those 5 ingredients, you just have to be creative and try to develop something of your own, right? And I'll see you on the next episode.